How to fix Windows 11 FPS drop for gaming. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss some of the techniques by which you can fix this issue. So first of all, you need to open the registry editor. You can either tap on or press Windows R and search for regedit, or directly open it through the search bar. Once you have opened, you have to now click on H key current user. Under that, go to System folder, then tap on Game Config Store. Once you tap on it, you will see different options. Just right click on Game DVR Enabled and modify it the value to 0. Similarly, for the behavior mode, change the value to 2. Once you have done so, you can now close the current user folder. Moving on with the next step, now you have to click on H key local machine. Under it, you have to click on Software folder. Once you tap on Software folder, scroll down until you find Microsoft. Under Microsoft, there are different options. Search for Policy Manager. Under Policy Manager, tap on Default folder. Now scroll down until you find the Application Management. Under Application Management, you will see the Allow Game DVR. On the right side, you will see the value-rich dword file. Just right-click on it and then change the value to 2. So that is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.